Hi, I'm Savannah, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about my journey so far on Slimful treats. I've only been on this for about a month and a half, so it's not very long, but it is my first video to kind of let you guys know what's going on with me. I've lost 22 pounds so far, which is a very big accomplishment. In the past, I haven't been able to lose very much. It would only be 1, 2, maybe 5 pounds, not very much. So 22 pounds is actually quite a bit for me. Uh, I I have been morbid obesity for several years. It's very hard because with me, I never ate anything, and when I would eat, it was overindulging in a lot of fatty foods, pasta, stuff like that. So when my friend Amy started to lose some weight, I was kind of wanting to know how she's doing all of this. So I started asking her and stuff, and she actually came up with a bunch of food that tastes really good, but looks very fattening. It looks like it's about 1,000 calories per dish. It's not. It's under 300 calories. She makes ice creams, brownies, cakes, a bunch of different kind of desserts. We're working on doing some appetizers, and she has like hundreds of different dishes right now. I'm helping her, with the videoing and helping her with the cooking and everything. And we just want you guys to like and subscribe her on YouTube at Slimful Treats. And then she is also on Facebook, Amy Smith. Growing up, being morbid obesity, kind of, it's hard to do anything. You get made fun of. It's, you start getting tired tying your shoes. I mean, it gets really bad, and that's where it finally got me. Is when it got hard for me to breathe to tie my shoes. So I talked to her, and she started, helping me with the modifications that I needed to do, and told me I have to eat. And with me, I'm not a very hungry person, so telling a big girl that they have to eat, you would think that's not a hard thing. It really is. 3 meals and 3 snacks a day for me is very hard. So I know the struggle with a lot of women. Some women just can't have any, they don't have time for food. They have kids, work, that kind of stuff. But in order for this to work, you do need to eat your calories, but not as much as you think. It's all about modification. So, like I said again, please like and subscribe at Slimful Treats and find her on Facebook, Amy Smith. Thank you.